What's up, guys? Today in the shop we are back on our Nissan Rebuild from Copart. If you're unfamiliar with this car, be sure to go back and watch part 1 of this series. We're going to start by getting the vehicle on the frame rack, making sure to unplug the battery, that way no airbags deploy on accident. Start getting the car clamped into the frame. I like to use these tie downs just as a safety factor if for some reason the vehicle did fly off the clamps. That way you got an extra chain holding it down. Move the towers into place and let's strap it up and start making some pulls. We'll start with pulling out the damaged impact bar. Next, we're going to start pulling out the rear body panel. I've got a block of wood in the face of it. That way we're pulling all of the damage out at one time. Makes for a much better pull. Now we're going to start working on those bent frame rails. You see how this frame rail walks out nice and easy. And after we pull it, the body gaps are now looking really nice. Onto the other frame rail. Again, this one walks out pretty easy. Let's make a couple more pulls on this rear body panel and the quarter area. Relieve some of the metal stress going on. Same for the other side. Relieve some of that metal stress that's going on. Now let's start taking off this rear body panel. Now we can take off the rails that are damaged. Originally, I was planning on saving this floor and also saving the left quarter panel, but after looking at it, it's just going to be a better repair if we replace the floor and replace both quarter panels. Here we're getting all the seam sealer off of the welds so we can see where we got to grind them off to remove the floor pan. There we have it, got most of the damage removed. I still have the quarters to take off yet, but the day was coming to an end. So, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. and I will see you in the next video.